The gorilla spirit animal embodies leadership, loyalty, and a strong sense of community. Gorillas are known for their nurturing nature, protective instincts, and the ability to lead with quiet strength. If you connect with the gorilla, you likely possess a natural ability to lead with kindness and empathy, creating a sense of unity among those around you. People with the gorilla spirit animal often prioritize the well-being of their family or community, acting as protectors and caregivers. They lead through example, valuing integrity and cooperation over aggression. The gorilla teaches that true leadership comes from compassion and patience, not dominance. However, the gorilla also warns against isolation or taking on too much responsibility. If the gorilla is your spirit animal, it may be a reminder to take time for self-care and to trust that it's okay to lean on others when needed. Balance your natural leadership qualities with moments of vulnerability, and you will find strength in connection.